Among its objectives, the EWABELT Project aimed at evaluating new and improved agricultural technologies not only in terms of productivity, but also through their broader socio-economic impact. This includes assessing how these innovations affect farmers compared to traditional practices, identifying new value chains to be unlocked, and gathering stakeholder feedback on their feasibility, with the final aim to produce decision support tools and practical guidance to inform future agricultural strategies across the region. Our partner, Cranfield University, identified and prioritized 4 technology groups.
We've been looking at how profitable the technologies might be, what are the sort of linked resources that are needed by the technologies, how does the technology, the effects of the technology change over time. We've also been looking at the value chain and trying to see how the technologies work across the value chain and whether from the farmer to the market there are any challenges, there are any barriers to the value chain functioning effectively. We have to be careful about how gender relations are changed, for example. We want to make sure that the women particularly are not sort of disadvantaged by some of these technologies. So all these are important considerations in evaluating the role and the benefits that a technology can play in sustainable intensification.
In order to assess the sustainability of the main innovative practices and technologies developed and researched within EWABELT, a framework based on multidimensional indicators has been applied. Among the various practices tested, 5 groups of technologies were selected for assessment. They have been chosen because they were implemented in at least 2 countries in both East and West Africa, and because they showed great potential to support the development of smallholder farmers.
So we are assessing the technologies of EWABELT with respect to 5 different domains that are the production part, the environmental impacts, the economic aspects, and the human and the social aspects. For each of these technologies, we are assessing different indicators within each of the 5 domains. And at the end, we will obtain this unique indicator of sustainable intensification that could be very important as a tool for policymakers to support their decisions and to decide what kind of technologies should be promoted and supported because they are more sustainable in terms of all these 5 domains.